Alright, instead of doing a bunch of screenshots, I figured it'd be easier to show this as a video. So I'm gonna go ahead and run my program. So the first window is a login window that has a username and password text field. So the username and password for this is admin, and the password is bank123. So if I put in something that's not valid, if I just put in some random letters for the password and the username, it's going to say invalid login and not let you in. So if I do admin and the password was bank123, it'll say login success, and it'll open up the main window, which allows you to go to 3 different sections of the program. View all accounts is how you access the accounts in the database. It'll pull up a table. When you hit retrieve data, it'll pull up whatever accounts are sitting in the database right now, which you can see the database in the background. I have 3 accounts in there already. 2 of them are checking accounts, 1 of them are savings accounts. You can see their first name, last name, social security number, account number, balance, checking or savings type. Alright. To make a new account, you click on new accounts, brings up the new account window. So here's where you would input your fields for the new account, the information, the first name, the last name, the social security number, starting balance. So say I wanted to make a new account, John Doe. The social security number also checks if it's valid. If it has an invalid format, it won't let you make the account. I'll say invalid social security number must use proper format. It'll do that even if it's in a proper format with just letters. It won't let you make it. So we'll give him just a random social security number. Okay. And starting balance, if you try to make it a negative number, it won't let you. Cannot enter a negative balance. So we'll make John Doe a savings account with $5,000 to start. Create savings account. Successfully created savings account. And now if I update this database, he'll be in there. John Doe, the social security number I entered, his account number, and starting balance of $5,000, and he's a savings account. Let's do now Jane Doe, and we'll make her a checking account. We'll do a different social security number, just some random numbers. And the checking account will have $1,000 balance. We'll create checking, successfully created checking account. So if I update here, you can see Jane Doe, there's your social security, account number, starting balance, checking account type. Great. Now, if I want to manage the accounts, you go here, say manage account, you enter your account number here, and then the functions are here. So if, for example, I enter an account number that doesn't exist, so let's say this is an account number that doesn't exist, and I try to deposit a random amount of money in there, it'll say account not found. So you can't do that. So now if I wanted to go to Jane Doe, let's say Jane Doe's account, which is 9142, enter 9142, and I want to deposit $100. Deposit, successfully deposited to checking account. Retrieve, and $100 has been successfully deposited. Now if I try to withdraw money, let's say I try to withdraw $2,000 from Jane Doe's account. She obviously does not have enough money for that, so if I do that, insufficient funds to withdraw that amount. It will not let you do it, and she'll stay at $1,100. But if I want to take out $500 from that account, successfully withdrew from checking account. And we update here. So it withdrew the $500 plus a fee, 20 cents fee. Now, if I want to add interest, all right, let's also, with Jane Doe's account, if I try to add interest to her account, obviously this is a checking account, she can't get interest. So if I try to add interest to this, checking accounts do not accrue interest. Okay. So now let's try a savings account. We'll do it on John Doe, the savings account we just made. His account number is 1988, and you don't need an amount for adding interest. So if we add interest, successfully added 1 month's interest to savings account. And as you can see, he got $12.05 interest. And that's about it. If I close the program completely and open it back up again, I can log back in, view all accounts, retrieve data, and they're still there in the database with the amounts that have been updated. And that's it.